This is the beauty of village life. As the first rays of the sun appear, everything begins to glow. The sound of birds and the cool morning breeze bring a peace that touches the soul. Villagers and little children are on their way carrying flowers for the morning prayers, a moment filled with devotion and simplicity. The tractor moves steadily across the field, turning the soil, preparing it for new life. This is how every harvest begins, with hard work and hope. In every corner of the field, someone is hard at work. Some hold a spade, while others gently plant young paddy shoots into the water. Sweat drips down, but there's peace on their faces, because this soil is their home, and this work, their prayer. It's early morning. The cool village breeze is gently flowing. From one corner of the village, 3 women are walking slowly, a rope in their hands, and behind them, their little ones. Not their children, but baby goats, walking playfully by their side. They're on their way to graze. There's calmness on their faces, a soft smile of care and responsibility. Every step through the fields, every pause under a tree, they let the goats nibble on fresh leaves and grass. This isn't just about taking goats to graze. It's a way of life filled with love, patience, and duty. The women of our villages live this life every single day, without complaints, without stopping. This is the true heart of rural India. When grass becomes scarce on land, even the cow begins her search elsewhere. Here she is, walking into the water, trying to find some green blades to eat. This is not just hunger, it's survival, it's intelligence. Our village animals, like this cow, know how to live with nature. After hours of hard work in the fields, they walk back covered in dust and sweat. A cool dip in the village pond brings them peace and relief. The sky is still heavy with rain clouds, but in between, the sun peeks out for a final goodbye. Its soft light fades slowly as night begins to fall.